Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Beefsteaks TV. Today we're making one of my all-time favorite Filipino desserts, the creamy and refreshing Buko Salad. If you want a super easy treat that's perfect for any celebration, stay right here, because you're gonna love this. All right, let's get started. In a large bowl, combine 5 cups of shredded young coconut with 1 can of fruit cocktail. Give it a gentle mix to spread everything out. Now add 1 jar of nata de coco. Then add 1 jar of kaong for that sweet, chewy bite. Now pour in 4 cartons of all-purpose cream. This is what makes the Buko salad silky, creamy, and honestly, so irresistible. Then add 3 cans of condensed milk. This is where the magic happens, the perfect sweetness that blends beautifully with the coconut and fruits. Make sure to pour it evenly so every scoop tastes amazing. Give everything a nice stir so all the ingredients come together. Then place it in the refrigerator for 6 hours or overnight. And that's it! Our creamy, refreshing Buko salad is ready to serve. Thank you so much for watching Beefsteaks TV Food. We really appreciate you being here. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more quick and easy recipes. Stay tuned. Lots more delicious dishes are coming your way. Thank you, and cheers.